Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. Okay, before I get into the intro and stuff, I'm gonna close the curtain and close this door. Okay, so I closed the curtain. All the cats are trapped out besides one because one doesn't know how to mind its business. But it came in. And now they're all begging to come back inside, but I really don't want to go inside. I don't want to run them over accidentally with my chair because they love going under my chair. But like, I don't want to accidentally run them over. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the intro. Okay guys, welcome back to another video, part 2 of me deep cleaning my room. So last night I went to the store, which is why I was all dressed up or whatever. Okay, so actually I'm gonna go put her up. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, before I get into this cleaning, I'm gonna try to get ready. Okay, so unfortunately I have to move my bangs out of the way, so if it looks bad like this, just shut up, okay? Okay, fixed it. So, in the last video, part 1, I lucky forgot to take us a big news at the end of the video. But I was in a rush, I had to go to the store. I actually had to go to the store. But at the end of this video, I don't have any plans today. So at the end of this video, I will make sure to tell you guys the big news. Okay, nose time. Reminds me. Reminds me. Reminds me. Okay, highlighter. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this purple, and we're just gonna go like this, under like that. There we go. Just like that. Is it just me, or do y'all want like eyebrows that just lined? More highlighter. Oh, the creases of my working eyeballs. Okay, so for my lips, we're gonna go in with like a dark red. So like this. Go like this. Sorry if there's a lot of cat noise in the background, guys. I have 4 kittens that don't know how to shut up once in a while. Almost done, guys. We're gonna go with brown. Go like a little bit on the lips, but not on the lip line. Okay, now we're gonna go in with like a white. Like that. Yes, then that's the eyeshadow. Okay, now we're gonna put some lip gloss on. And I actually found my old lip gloss. Brody. So we're gonna put this lip gloss on. Okay, we're gonna go in with more blush. Gonna go on like right there too. And up here. Let me go get a hairbrush. Dude, I'm a unicorn. Wait, now I'm gonna pick out my outfit for the day. Okay, so actually, we're just gonna finish up putting clothes. We're just gonna finish putting clothes up to clean my room. Okay, I'm gonna finish putting clothes up, which means I gotta get all my hoodies and jackets on there. Peace. So currently, my computer is on 4%, so I'm gonna have to stop the video. But not like end it, but like just pause it. So let me deal with my clothes first, like all of them, and then I'll see you guys after. You got distracted. Okay, so I put all my clothes up, everything's hanging up, everything's in the drawers, but I'm gonna go put my bed sheet up on there real quick, and I'll be right back. I did not mean to pause that. Okay guys, so I took a little break and I ran up to the store and I got this. And they were out of my drinks and I don't want to drink anything else, so I was just like, whatever. And I didn't get a drink, but I have a water, so it's fine. But they're really good. Bro, you don't know how bad I'm actually sweating. It's so bad. I'm gonna put on a TV show or a video, and then when I'm done, record again. I messed up my hair, dude. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for today or for right now. I'll swim my room later, but everything else is perfectly fine. But I'm gonna go watch some movies. I'm gonna go watch some movies with my mom, and I'll see you guys in the next video that I post. But don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Oh shoot, I gotta tell you guys the big news. Are y'all ready? My sister and her husband are moving out in a month and 2 weeks, which means they're moving out. I get my own room. I get their old room. So I'm gonna have my own room in a month and 2 weeks, and I'm so excited. If y'all can't tell, I have a curtain up. Okay, I've never had an own door before, which is sad, but like it's okay because their room has a door. It means I get my own room with a door and everything that I need in there. So I'm so excited. Anyways, that was the big news, guys. Hope you guys like and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and so any new video I upload, you guys will